Welcome to my new YouTube channel, y'all. All right, you already know what you about to get here, but I'm gonna let you know anyway. So my name is Bree. I am the owner of Burton and Bland Consulting. I'm Burton, and my dad is Bland. Here, it will just be focused on my side of the business, what I do, what I offer. It'll be about everything business, business marketing, business hacks, business growth, what you need to do, what you're not doing, some tips and tricks. All that's gonna be in my video. So, as you can see, I'm a really down to earth person. Even though I'm like professional, I'm still relatable. I don't know. I'm just me. I can't help who I am. So, anywho, more about me. I'm from Detroit. I went to Western Michigan University. Go Broncos. I'm a double Bronco. I have my bachelor's from there in business administration with a major in computer information systems, minor in general business, and I have my master's of arts from there in instructional design and technology. It's all kind of encompassed in the same thing. But again, double Bronco, go Broncos. And I have a teaching online certification from Quality Matters. So I am certified to teach online. I also will be expanding into trainings, workshops, things like that. So this is the beginning of my journey. Well, it's kind of towards the beginning because I already started. This is just me starting on YouTube, using it as a marketing platform to get my business out and to get small business clients and clients as I grow. So about my professional experience, I've done a lot of customer service jobs, a lot of help desk jobs, social media manager jobs, I would say. I do my own social media, but it's really most so customer service and IT based because I am a nerd. Go nerds. So yeah, again, this channel will be about all things business, how to grow your business, some tips and tricks that I've used recently to even further grow my business, because growing a business is not like a one-time thing. It's a continuous thing. So as you grow your business, your small business, you will change. You will have different marketing strategies. You got to figure it out. And I'm here to figure it out with you. We're going to figure it out together. So if you're definitely thinking you're going to be interested in that, go ahead and subscribe. Comment below some video ideas or some small business problems that you have that you would like some tips and tricks on how to resolve. And yeah, I haven't really figured out my posting schedule yet, but I think that I'm going to do 2 videos a week. Our first video will probably be on growth hacks, tips and tricks, social media stuff, things like that. And then on our website, it's actually a directory for Detroit's Black-owned businesses. So I probably will be featuring a business or doing a video about a business every week to just try to help and expand small businesses. Small businesses have to help small businesses. Small businesses have to, I don't even know where I was going with that one again, but we got to help each other. So I figured what a great way to help my fellow business owners than to do a YouTube video, even if it's like a really short one, just featuring their business so they can grow as well. So again, go ahead and subscribe. I will be posting another video next week. Not sure on the topic yet, but definitely have some in mind. Kind of see what's hot right now. So yeah, subscribe, comment below. Again, if you have any ideas or problems you're experiencing as a person, as a small business owner. I also will be helping people start their businesses or get them off the ground. So if you want to start a business and you don't know what to do or how to do it, you can definitely comment below or hit my inbox. I do offer business coaching services, consulting services, social media management services. So we'll have a lot of things going on. Also, I will put a link to my booking in the description. I know I'm new, but if you decide you want to go ahead and book a consultation, you can definitely do that. I am on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. I only do 2 platforms right now. One of the best videos I will do is on you know, social media and just learning different platforms. So right now I'm only on 2. I was on a lot more, but I've kind of niched down, or I've downsized, because as I'm learning about the social media platforms and how to leverage them to grow my small business, I realized that you want to focus on only really 1 or 2 as you're starting, because you can't just like go across the platforms. You have to actually learn them, and there are different tools and tricks that are needed, or skills that you have to learn in order to leverage the platforms to your advantage. So stay tuned for next week's video, and thanks for tuning in.